Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to talk about the importance of doing your follow-up. Now, I know I've done a video about networking and how it's all about building relationships, and a big part of that is doing your follow-up. I might meet somebody, at a mixer, and then the next day send a follow-up email of like, hey, it was great to meet you. That's the beginning of the relationship. There needs to be an ongoing dialogue. It doesn't have to be every day or even every week, but just something. So like if I'm going to an event where I think I might run into somebody, I'll send them an email saying, hey, are you going to be at this event? I'm going to be there. Or if there's an article related to a mutual interest, I may send that along. Or it's not even a mutual interest, something that I think might just apply to them. Hey, I saw this, and I thought of you. People, even if it doesn't really apply to them, they will at least appreciate the thought that you thought of them. Or if you're in a situation where you're looking for information or advice or feedback, people like it when you look to them as, a type of expert, or at least as helpful, and you say, hey, I have this idea, what do you think? That's a great way to keep the conversation going, especially if you're someone who's a law student and you're looking for information about a potential career, or if there's an introduction that you think a person can make, like, hey, your firm practices every area of law. I know you don't do family law, but can you introduce me to somebody in your firm who does? That's a way to keep the dialogue going. And always be, gracious and respectful of people's time. But something to also keep in mind, if a person tells you, hey, let me know how that went or how you're doing, they actually mean it. At least I can tell you, when I say that, I mean it. If I don't care, I won't say that. That sounds a little cold-hearted, but I'm sorry. Certain things don't interest me, and, well, I'm busy. And that's not just me. That's, I think, every lawyer. We're busy. So if we say, let me know about, how your project went or how you're doing in general, we mean it. So, you can start that email with, hey, you told me to let you know how this went. Here's the information, here's how it went. Here's how I'm doing. I like it when people actually send those follow-up emails. And so when people tell me to keep them in the loop about something, I, try to do that as well. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and I will catch up with you later. Take care.